How to share your screen on Snapchat? First of all, make sure to update your Snapchat application on your device. Once you have done, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you have done, log into your account, then head on the chat section by tapping on chat at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you are here, you can place call to any friend you want to share your screen. Let's open it and let's tap on the video call icon at the top right corner of the screen. So once you have done that, so as you can see there is three line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it and here is the share screen icon. So as you make video call, there will be an share screen icon. By tapping on three line, you can open that share screen option and tap on share screen and easily share your screen on Snapchat. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.